Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to BMO Business Credit Card. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts, benefits, and best practices of using a BMO business credit card. First, let's start with the basics. A BMO business credit card is a type of credit card designed specifically for businesses. It allows business owners to separate their personal and business expenses, and provides a convenient way to manage cash flow. To apply for a BMO business credit card, you will need to provide some basic information about your business, including your business name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to provide financial information, such as your business income and expenses. Once you have been approved for a BMO business credit card, you can start using it to make purchases, pay bills, and manage your business expenses. You can also use the card to earn rewards, such as cashback or travel points. One of the key benefits of a BMO business credit card is the ability to track and manage your business expenses. You can use the online account management tool to view your transactions, pay your bill, and set up account alerts. This will help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about your business. Another benefit of a BMO business credit card is the ability to earn rewards. For example, you can earn cash back on your purchases, or travel points that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, or other travel expenses. This can help you save money and get more value out of your business expenses. To get the most out of your BMO business credit card, it's essential to use it responsibly. Make sure to pay your bill on time and keep your credit utilization ratio low. This will help you maintain a good credit score and avoid interest charges. In addition, you should also take advantage of the card's benefits, such as purchase protection and travel insurance. These benefits can provide you with additional protection and peace of mind when making purchases or traveling for business. In conclusion, a BMO business credit card can be a valuable tool for business owners. It provides a convenient way to manage cash flow, track expenses, and earn rewards. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can get the most out of your BMO business credit card and take your business to the next level.